Hey, what's up my friends? This will be a very short video and I will draw the winner for the T12 digital soldering station. If you remember, we were making a giveaway for this soldering station, and then we'll draw the winner for the power supply. But first, let's take the winner for this soldering station. So as you remember, in order to win this soldering station, you have to make an account on electronoobs.io and also change your name of your profile and the picture of your profile. So if you didn't change the name or your picture, you can win this soldering station. So all I have to do is to make a random number for the profile. So what I will do is to go first into my admin and see the amount of IDs that I have on this website, and as you can see it's 1124. I will copy this number and I'll go here, and this is a random generator for numbers, and I'll place the maximum number here and click generate, and this will give me a random number. So in this way this will represent a random ID, so a random user. So all I have to do is to go to electronoobs.io to profiles and paste this number here. And let's see the random. So as you can see, this user changed his name and also the profile picture. So this is the winner of the TS soldering station. So mprogramvmy, it's a very strange name, but anyway, I will search your email and send an email to you in order to give me your address, and I will send it. I will send this soldering station to you. You had to make an account on electronoobs.io to win this soldering station and also the power supply, but that will be in a separate video. So I'll stop this video and make a separate video, and in the same way for the power supply.